All right. Bring it on, son. Bring it on. Come back in the car. Come there, somebody else. Come here. Yeah? Yeah, more. Activity. But I should get a bank. So we take care of. All right, we'll come in. Right. Go on, do it now. See what you want. I'm so shaky. We never come on that side. Come on top. Like I said, I really come. I'm going to do that. Next week, we have this one. Try it. What you want, come on. Bring them all across the knee. Stretch out the back of the We didn't come out there and catch all of that stuff. You have to reach it up. Reach it every son. Don't go down there. Keep this shoe better out there. Use the steam. Not right there, right there. I'm not right there. Reach it everywhere. Lord, give me that person. You have this all right. And then all right. Let me go over the white. I'm sorry. So 20. Remember we want tonight? When you still have my public face, don't with it. Yeah, I remember too. Just take the car down and do it. We can't do a car and all that. One day I can't tell you, man. These platforms, so you want to put something else on. You want to squat something else on. Right, yes, sir. This I can read, man. Yeah, let's have to do that. Oh, it's a lot of time they come a lot now. So when I come, man, by the time I find something, you know. Four, when I come, 4 forward. Yes. Yeah, right answer. Yeah, man. Well, I'm going to leave it I don't want to, I'm not going to 3 buckets on that. No. Yeah, man, no worry about it. Like I don't have a cigar match. I'm gonna treat you up here too. No, I don't want to. Like I do too much. Yeah. That's why. What I know? Yeah? Yeah, amazing. So in Islam, almost a measure you, sir. In Islam? My name you can't preach share on here. Do you think?
The first week this morning,
Yeah.
after the election, sure what the law has
Come in. Done this, done. Chaos at all. So this is on my island, so streaming live. Welcome to each and everyone, subscribers and viewers, family and friends. So the idea of the cast and the kitchen counter. This is the island. So we have cast up there, in there, and then we go to the top. And I don't know if you can see it in the video. So then look to over there, that's the design of the countertop. That is what I gotta use to do this countertop. But I like to do video, the before and after, more than when the video you just show this pretty kitchen and you show how you come by it. So step by step. So we cast up and deck off over the countertop. So this is the island. So I do the casting up by it. And then do the deck off, and after that, put on some finishing on the countertop. Make it look crispy and nice. Alright. So we'll just cast up this today. Começa, eu começo.
Yes.
You see? Cross water, maybe use water and find it. You see it? See it? Yeah. So I go. Give thanks. I'm gonna do this so easy. I want you to know it's an identical amount. So this just need to turn over and put this pants on foot. A little bit, all you want to say 2 inches. You want 12 inches there, son? You see my finger there, so that's how I have to see. That's it. Right. So, here you have it. We cast up the foot at the island. So we're going to make it next. We have to make it straight. Some people lay blocks and bricks to do the footing. We cast it. So do whatever best for you. Alright, so let's see what I'm going to do. so. Live stream. Wow. I'm sorry I put it, I'm not showing away.
Okay, no way, man.
No, I want no pipe to go there. The hot water pipe to connect.
Which one in the kitchen?
I may come on there. I may come on there.